welcome back to another edition of Rare Find Friday. I am Ebony Payton.
Scotty Rob.
Cool beans. So here we have a couple of rare finds for you. We're keeping them inside because they're just that special. Here we have a 2022 Dodge Challenger 392 Scat Pack. This thing is awesome. It has the V8 6.4 liter with 485 horsepower. This thing is ready to rock and roll. It's super fast and it's actually pre-owned, but this bad boy has such low kilometers on it. Beautiful interior. It's got 827 kilometers. Obviously one owner, no accidents on it. The reason why it got traded in is that the fellow thought it was too fast, so.
No, actually, his wife thought it was too fast.
His wife thought it was too fast.
That's even worse.
That's even worse. So if you're looking for something that goes super fast, this one is for you.
Yes, we got two great vehicles we tell you about today. So these are both kept inside all winter, but it's time. It's February. Only another month away and these things are gonna fly. So if you wanna get a great deal on a summer car, this is the time of year. Same with this bike. This is a 2017 Ducati Scrambler. Fantastic vehicle for the English word to mix up. To blend.
Wow.
Yes, so this is a blended use vehicle. As you can see, for a tall guy, it actually really sits nicely. It's a very low seat, 170 kilogram weight, so very, very versatile, easy to ride, wide handlebars, LED headlights, also the cluster and the rear view light is also, and tail light are also LED. This has an L-twin 803 centimeter engine, so super fast, very versatile, great to drive. One owner, no accidents, with how much? 14,502 kilometers on it. Wow. So just broken in, ready to ride. This vehicle came in 3 colors, the red, the black, and the silver. So obviously we have the red here. The panels are actually removable as well. You can put bags on the back, but just the way it is, this thing is a super fast, very versatile, fun vehicle to drive. Come and take advantage of it. $79.99, steal of a deal. Get a nice bike before the summer hits. That's what I've got.
Awesome, all right. Wow, those are two very rare finds today. Fantastic.
No, did we just say fantastic
yes,
together? All right.
All right, I think that's a wrap. Here at O'Connor Chrysler, everything we do is driven by you. Boom.